everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with day 6 of the 25 days of Christmas. Can you believe we're already on December 6th? Before we know it, December's going to be done, Christmas is going to be done, and we'll be celebrating New Year's. It's like, wow. So, let's see. The last extra, because I wrapped all the Christmas presents, and I reorganized underneath the tree, and I came across one more extra. So I'm going to be done with it, and then it'll be just numbers from now on through. So we are on 6. It's wrapped funky. I think she got me a hairbrush, guys. Maybe she got me a husband beater, man. I don't know. Interesting. Let me see. I have no idea on this. It's kind of like Sabrina opening the paintbrush. I got her so stumped on everything that she's getting. All right, let's see. Look at. Oh my, look at this, guys. Oh, Sabrina, this is awesome. Look at this. I never thought of doing an altered Christmas guitar. Now I have to find a place to put that in my living room. Oh, it's so cute. Look at how she did that. So she's got a bow with a little snowman, and I'm trying to see what material. I can't tell, but it's cute. And then she's got this Merry Christmas. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to buy me a guitar one and do me a high one. And she's got material. Where's this paper? It's paper, old fashioned. And then look how she did this little string. She's got gems, snowflakes. She's got it going around, and she's got the Christmas truck on the back. Oh my God, this is so cute. And then the little ribbons with the little gingerbread people coming down. And then she's got a red truck for me coming down too. Awesome. And then little gingerbread. I'm going to have to put your name on a sticker and put it in the back. Oh my God, that is so cute. OMG. Oh my God, I love it, Sabrina. Love it, love it, love it. See, I thought of paintbrush, she thought of guitar. Haha. I like how she's got the little, it's like she's got eyelash trim here. That is so creative. Love it. And look at the ribbon going around. I keep spotting things. Oh, look at, see, snowflake. Haha. That is awesome. Love it. I might have to put another nail in the wall. Yeah, because I'm going to have to hang this up. Of course I'm going to hang it up. And then also, Frankenstein's socks. I love socks, guys. I'm going to tell you a story about socks. So, I have a thing for socks with pictures on, okay? And I've had it since I was a kid. And my mom, this is funny, at Christmas, I'd get Halloween. And at Easter, I'd get Christmas. Or Valentine's Day, okay? Because my mom always bought them after the holiday. So now, Diamond picks me up a pair of socks. Actually, she don't pick up on, she picks them up during the season. So this is funny that I'm getting Halloween socks at Christmas time. I love socks, printed funny socks. Just love them. And I remember asking my mom, and I could never figure out why I would get Halloween socks at Christmas. I didn't catch on until later on when I realized she was buying them after the holiday. All right. I just digging this guitar. Awesome. So we have an extra, because that's what the E says. Extra. So at first I thought it was a 3, and then I looked at her 3, and it was an E. So here we go. I'm just looking down at this guitar going, oh my God, this is so cool. Okay. Oh my god, look at erasers. I have a thing for erasers. I don't know what it is. Look at that donut. I don't have that one. Oh, I may have ones like these, but I don't have that one or this one. I may have one similar to that one. I like these little dishes. So you get, they're so cool. Thank you. Zach gave up erasers? How is that possible? Cute. Them right there. I have a eraser collection. If anybody wants to see my eraser collection, leave a comment or leave me a comment. Show your eraser collection, because I will. And then we got fruit. We got a strawberry. Cherries. Bananas. Oh, look at that one. And a pine cone. I know I don't have that. That's too cool. I don't care if they're duplicates or not. I love miniatures. And for some reason, I love erasers. Just have a thing for them. I don't know why. I look for them at Target every time I go. I haven't seen any Christmas ones this year, though. These are cute little dishes these came in. Well, the erasers are going in my box, and the dishes are going to hold some beads. I was sitting here staring at me going, you need a container. So thank you so much, Sabrina. I am digging this guitar. I just love it. Oh, very creative. I love how she added a truck for me. So cool. The altered guitar. And that is so cool. I'm going to have to get me I'll have to see if I got one, because my buddy Mihai, me and Scott's buddy Mihai, he plays guitar. And I think it'd be cool to make him a guitar like this for Christmas. Maybe I might have to go meet Dollar Tree. Oh, look at a piece of sticker right there. Get off there. Don't bug me. So thank you so much, Sabrina. I'm loving the guitar. I can't wait to go find me a place to hang it in my living room. Or maybe my kitchen. Or maybe my bathroom. I don't know yet. But I will find a place for it for this year. And I'm going to get me a sticker out, and I'm going to put your name on the back so I know who it came from. So, as always, everybody, I'm going just to say Merry Christmas! Bye!